What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kane Customs. Now today on this episode we are going to talk about the difference between the Z66 and the Z71 Chevy Avalanche, coming right up. What's going on, guys? For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan, so thank you all for joining, and those of you who are returning again, thank you for continuing with your support. I really appreciate it, if that makes sense. I do appreciate it though. But let us dive right into this video. It's kind of short, but I needed something to make and I thought this would be an interesting topic. So the first thing on the Z71, it is an off-roading package with the four-wheel drive. Now on the Z66, it's an on-roading package. It has posi traction rear and tow haul mode, and it's only rear-wheel drive. Now the tow haul mode does come with the Z71, at least my one does. But basically, on my research, it was saying that the Z66 shares everything that the Z71 has except the four-wheel drive, which doesn't make it the off-roading package. Now, the four-wheel drive, you're obviously going to want that when you're in weather that snows or icy conditions where you can possibly get stuck. At least you have all four wheels that can move. If you're going off-roading, because if you get one wheel or two wheel or three wheels stuck, at least you'll have one that moves. Now if you get all four that's stuck, well then you're out of luck. It doesn't matter if you have four-wheel drive or not, you're stuck. You have to get someone else to help you. But it's always good to have the four-wheel drive to help you in those situations. Now when the four-wheel drive is not activated, it is in two-wheel drive mode, which is rear-wheel drive like the Z66. And you can obviously press your button to get it on 4 high, 4 low, and it will activate the two front wheels, and then everything will start to turn in a sequence. So in my opinion, I would definitely get the four-wheel drive. A lot of people say that they wouldn't get the 4x4 because they never have any options to go off-road, and there is a lot less things to break mechanical-wise, which they are correct. 100% there's a lot less things to break and a lot less maintenance, but it's always nice to have that option because I would rather have the ability to use it than to need it and not have it, if you understand what I'm talking about. So I personally love my four-wheel drive. I've already used it a couple times in the snow up here in the north. Now that I'm in Florida, I actually don't really use it much, so it's always on two-wheel. But there are occasions where I'm sure that I might get stuck somewhere that I'm gonna need it, because a lot of roads, certain roads in the back of Florida is still sand. They're undeveloped. And when I'm going places to like my friend's house who lives out in the countryside, sometimes you're going to need the extra help with the four-wheel drive to get through the certain terrain that is needed to give you a comfortable, smooth ride. Other than that, the Z66 will work perfectly fine in regular road options, dry road climate. Even in Florida, majority of the Avalanches that I've seen in Florida are Z66 versions. They're all rear-wheel drive, majority of them. Mine and a few others out there that I've came across are Z71 or four-wheel drive packages. And but majority of trucks other than the Avalanche, all of them, majority of them, why do I keep saying all? Majority of them are rear-wheel drive. If you ask a lot of people, they'll tell you rear-wheel drive. There's no need for the four-wheel in Florida, but I still like having my option. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick episode. I haven't gotten a chance to work on the Corolla. I just haven't been feeling it, man. So like, just making quick videos like this really helped me out. And I'm so behind on making videos. I don't know why I do this to myself, but I am so behind on it. If you guys have any videos that you would like to see or you would like me to make, any kind of topic on the Avalanche or any kind of topic in general, just please leave it in the comment section below, because it is hard when you're looking up certain topics to make and you're running out of ideas. There's only so much ideas my head can spit out, so if you guys have anything, please leave it in the comment section below and I will make the video for you guys. Other than that, I hope you all have a great night. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And please make sure to hit the like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.